The line graph below shows the number of magazines sold from January to May. It asks you to find the increase in the number of magazines sold from March to April. And part B asks you to find, tell you that the total number of magazines sold from January to March was 2/3 the total amount of magazines sold from April to June. How many magazines were sold in June? So whenever you see a line graph, you need to label. So if you look at this line graph or you study it closely, so 2 gaps give you 4, which means 1 gap give you 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So 1 gap is 2, which means this guy is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Okay, so January, it will be 22. February, so how you do is you trace it all the way to the left, be 36. March, it will be 24. April, they have you trace already, so it's 30. Then May will be 16. First, if I draw a line, use a ruler, it should be 16. Okay, good. So now everything is labeled, we can do the question. So what's the increase from March to April? March is 24, April is 30. So part A, what's the increase? Just 30 minus 24, which is 6 magazines. So part A answer is 6. Part B, let's study the fraction. 2 belongs from January to March. 3 belongs to April to June. So let's do January to March. When you sum out January to March, sum up means you have to add up, right? So January to March. What's the total? It will be 22 plus 36 plus 24. So it's 82. Now April to June. We don't have June information, we're supposed to find June information. But we're also given that January to March is 2 units. So 2 unit is 82. 1 unit will just be 82 divided by 2, which is 41. And we are given that from April to June is 3 units. So 3 unit will just be 41 times 3. So it will give you 1, 2, 3. So April to January must add up to 1, 2, 3. For June here. April to June must add up to 1, 2, 3. So they ask you to find out what June is. So we just have to take 1, 2, 3 minus April minus May. So 1, 2, 3 minus 30 minus 16. And that should give you 77. Hence, part B answer is 77 magazines. We'll move on.